Welcome to San Jose, Costa Rica, the capital city of Costa Rica. Now this video will provide 10 reasons why people love San Jose. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to San Jose, Costa Rica. Population around 350,000. Now just for context, we have a map here. We have circled San Jose. San Jose is 5 hours from Tamarindo and 2 hours from Jaco. Now this video will provide 10 reasons why people love San Jose. People love San Jose because of Plaza De La Cultura. The Plaza De La Cultura is the main square in San Jose and a great place to begin your San Jose exploration. In the heart of the plaza, vendors sell crafts, street performers show their skills, and locals sell birdseed to feed the pigeons flocking to the square. If you want the classic photograph of a swarm of birds soaring off at your feet, this is the place to do it. There are plenty of things to do in this area of San Jose that you can easily walk to from the plaza. Many of the top sites like the Central Market, Museo de Jade, Teatro Nacional de Costa Rica, and Gold Museums are all within walking distance of the plaza. It is here you'll find the typical fast food chains found in every city in the world, and it's a great place to grab some ice cream to take with you as you explore. Don't be alarmed by the police walking around wielding guns. They are more of a deterrent. Plaza de la Cultura is very safe, and it is a spot where many tour groups meet up. The police are there to make sure everyone feels safe, and because of that, it's probably the safest place in all of San Jose. People love San Jose because of the National Theater. The National Theater is one of San Jose's most prestigious buildings. It's filled with lavish furnishings and many stunning marble statues. In the past, it was used as a main selling point to attract rich visitors to the country and city. These days, the theater still operates, and you can come and watch a show here or just have a look around. The theater is actually visited on free walking tours of San Jose. However, you won't get much time to see the theater. Instead, come back on your own for a closer look. It costs $10 to enter the theater for a look around. The National Theater is open from Tuesday to Sunday from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. and is located in the central section of San Jose near the Grand Hotel. People love San Jose because of the National Museum. San Jose is home to many great museums that gives visitors an insight into Costa Rica's history, culture, and politics. The National Museum of Costa Rica showcases exhibits that highlight Costa Rica's history, archaeology, anthropology, and natural history. The National Museum itself is actually an old fort called the Bella Vista Barracks, and old bullet holes can be seen in the walls that surround it. This museum is a great place to visit for a broad understanding of Costa Rica, and is considered one of the best attractions in San Jose. Admission is $8 American. The museum is open from 8:30 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. every day except Sundays when it opens at 9 a.m. People love San Jose because of the Paz Waterfall Garden. If you came to Costa Rica to see magnificent waterfalls, then a visit to La Paz Waterfall Garden will blow your mind. The La Paz Waterfall Garden is a privately owned property that combines a natural waterfall with a huge range of other attractions such as a butterfly garden, bird sanctuary, trout lake, hummingbird garden, and other animal enclosures. It's the largest animal sanctuary in Costa Rica. There are 5 spectacular waterfalls on the property that you can visit along with a trail network on the property. They are all breathtaking. The La Paz Waterfall Garden is located 1.5 hours outside of San Jose and can be visited on your own or on a tour. If on a tour, you'll be transported from San Jose and guided around the gardens to explore and learn. On top of that, the tour includes a delicious lunch. People love San Jose because of the Jade Museum. The Jade Museum is home to over 7,000 pieces of jade. It's the largest collection of Pre-Columbian jade in the world. Here you'll find out the importance of jade to the Costa Rican people, as well as how jade artifacts are made. Entrance is $16 American. The museum is open from 8:30 a.m. to 3:30 p.m. Monday to Friday and 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. on Saturday. People love San Jose because of the Pre-Columbian Gold Museum. The Pre-Columbian Gold Museum is home to the largest collection of Pre-Columbian gold in Latin America. At the museum, you can find many gold artifacts dating back thousands of years. It's home to over 1,600 individual pieces. It's recommended to anybody who loves art and history. Admission is $9 American. The museum is open from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. People love San Jose because of La Chimba Coffee Farm. One of the most fun things to do in San Jose was a short hike through the coffee plantation to a viewpoint shaped like a human hand. La Chimba Coffee Plantation is home to a 5-kilometer and 9-kilometer trail called Hacienda y Beneficio La Chimba. Both trails lead to the viewpoint, with one slightly longer for those who love to hike. The trail is easy to follow, and although a little muddy and slippery in some places, fairly easy with a gradual incline up to the viewpoint. You can easily take an Uber to the plantation from San Jose, and it costs $12 to hike the trail. The trail opens at 5:30 a.m. with the last hikers allowed on the trail at 2 p.m. You can also do coffee tours at La Chimba, and there is a gorgeous restaurant on the property where you can eat surrounded by birds. There's also a zipline experience for those who want a little extra thrill. People love San Jose because of Avenida Central. Avenida Central, or Central Avenue, is a walking street that goes right through the core of downtown San Jose. It's filled with restaurants, shops, and attractions. The best way to start your day is to find a local coffee shop to have some flavorful Costa Rican coffee and taking it with you and start walking along the avenue. Avenida Central is quiet in the mornings, and walking along the street in solitude is a perfect way to get your bearings. There are several walking streets besides Central Avenue in San Jose. There are many walking streets that branch out from the main Central Avenue, so get lost and stroll as long as you like along the auto-free streets to feel the energy of the city. There's great shopping along here as well. People love San Jose because of the free walking tour. The company that's been recommended is called San Jose Free Walking Tour. They have tours leaving every morning at 9 a.m. that depart from the Holiday Inn in the heart of downtown. They provide so much information about the history of Costa Rica. Everywhere it seems that people visit in Costa Rica, they have such a strong focus on nature and the outdoors that it's been said that San Jose is the only place to actually learn about the history of the country. For that reason, many people suggest a city tour of San Jose, free or paid, to definitely get some background on San Jose and Costa Rica. People love San Jose because of the Central Market. The Central Market in San Jose is a must visit. This place is filled with interesting shops to buy souvenirs and lots of food. On a San Jose city tour, they may take you to this place, but if not, make sure to have a look on your own. Many people spend a couple hours looking at items for sale or having a cheap lunch at one of the sodas. One thing that's been suggested is an ice cream shop called Helados de Sobatera. It is a unique tasting ice cream and is only found in this one specific store. Others in San Jose have tried to copy the recipe but have failed. Locals enjoy it, and this place is famous, so give it a try. The reasons provided in this video are not all the reasons why people love San Jose. If you've got a reason why you love San Jose, pop it in the comment section. I'll make another video. I hope you enjoyed the video. Ciao for now!